Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a model using Google Slides. So Google Slides is normally used to make slideshows, and you'll have a bunch of different slides, which I'm sure you guys are used to that. But another option is to just use one slide, and then you can make a big image, which could be a model, as long as you're including the components, the interactions, and the mechanisms that we've talked about in class. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing, you want to name your slideshow. So I'm going to name it Biosphere 3. I always forget to do that, so I want to make sure I do it first thing. And then you can highlight these text boxes and get rid of them. So you're working with just a blank screen. Next, you want to think about what types of components you want to include in your model. So I'm going to think about, if I was doing a desert biosphere, I might want to include a cactus. So there are two ways I can add a cactus to my model. I can either draw it myself using Google Slides, or I can take it off of the internet. And I'm going to show you how to do both of those things. So first, to draw it, you can come up here and use the shapes to draw a simple cactus. So I'm going to look, I want to make a barrel cactus. So I'm going to look for any shapes that might kind of look like a barrel cactus. And I see this shape down here. So I'm going to click on that. And now I can make the shape that looks kind of like a cactus to me, but right now it's gray. So I'm going to go to the fill, and I'm going to change the color. Now I've got a green cactus, which I can add details onto if I want. Like I could add in some lines. Add in some lines here. There. So they look kind of like spines. Okay, and then I have something that looks like it could be a cactus. The other option is that you can take a image off of the internet. So to do that, I'm going to go to this website, which is called Vecteezy. So Vecteezy lets you find free images that you can use in your work. So to find the free images, I'm going to click where it says all vectors here. Oh, doesn't want me to do that. And I'm going to select free, and then I can search for like cactus. And when I do that, a bunch of pictures of cactuses come up, which I can go through and find the one that I like best. I'll just choose this image here. And then from here, I don't want the whole image, I just want a cactus. So I'm going to say edit. And then I'll be able to crop the image so that I'm just getting the one cactus that I actually want. So I'm going to pick this bottom one on the left. And I'm going to crop out the pot so it looks like it's growing out of the ground. And then I have this image here, which I can then download. Make sure that you're downloading it as a PNG or a JPEG. You don't want a vector image. So I'm going to download it here. And then I'm going to go back to my slide. And I can actually insert that image that I just downloaded by going to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. And then that's called Untitled 3. You can see I've been practicing, so I have other cactuses on here. And then I've got a picture of a cactus that I can add in. Next up would be talking about interactions. So the way that you can add interactions is you can add in other shapes like arrows, which would let you change the angle of that, show what's happening. So I might add an arrow in here, and then a text box that says what is leaving the cactus. So O2 is coming out of the cactus. And then you can do that for all the different components in your model. All right, so that's a basics on how to use slides to make a model.